Good morning, student. Welcome to Gyan Bharati Junior College of Science, Purigaon. So today we are going to learn the use of dimensional analysis. In the previous video, we explained all the terms regarding the dimension of a physical quantity and the dimensional analysis. Also we explained in the last video the dimensional equation. So today we are going to see the question, what is the dimension of a physical quantity? Explain the use of dimensional analysis. So here the dimensional analysis has a very important scope in the branch of the physics. So when we deals with the physical quantity, we have to know the units of that physical quantity. Simultaneously we have to keep knowledge about the dimension of each and every physical quantity. So without here knowing the unit, mathematical formula, definition and the dimension of a physical quantity, we can't do anything in the physics. So first of all, we have seen here the definitions of the units. Units are mainly categorized, fundamental units and the derived units. We also written there the units, that is the MKS unit and the CGS unit. And also we derived there the dimension of a physical quantity. So today we have to see here the uses or application of the dimensional analysis. So now here the use of dimensional analysis. This is our topic. Use of dimensional analysis. So here are the mainly three uses. Number first, to check or to verify the correctness of given physical equation. Means this is the first use of dimensional analysis to verify the correctness of a given physical equation. To check the given equation is correct or not. The given equation, the written equation is correct or not, that can be decided by the dimensional analysis. So this is the first use. So here is the second use, to establish the relationship between various physical quantity. This is the second use of the dimensional analysis. मीन्स यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है कि जो डिफरेंट फिजिकल क्वांटिटी दी हुई रहेंगी, तर या डिफरंट या अनेक फिजिकल क्वांटिटीमध्ये दिलेल्या इक्वेशनमध्ये काय रिलेशन आहे, काय परस्पर संबंध आहे, हा परस्पर संबंध शोधण्याचं काम कोण करतं? डायमेन्शनल एनालिसिस करतं. सो हियर इज द to establish the relationship between the various physical quantity. This is the second use. Number third application or the third use is, so here to find the conversion factor between the various units of physical quantity, between various units of physical quantity. हा जो तिसरा पॉइंट लिहिलेला आहे, to find the conversion factor between various units of physical quantity. So previously we have seen here the different types of the system of units, mainly the MK system of unit and the CGS system of unit. So here the relation between the MK system of unit and the CGS system of unit, there is the specific relation between the two system of units, like the 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So this is the relation. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So this is the relation between the two different units of the physical quantity. So mainly in our syllabus there are the three applications of the usage of dimensional analysis. So we have to explain here the first to verify the correctness of given physical equation. So here in order to find the correctness, to check the correctness, to check the truth of the given physical equation, you have to use the dimensional analysis. So here is the first application or the first use to verify. So this is the to verify the truth, the truth of physical equation. So this is the first use of the dimensional analysis. अब देखते हैं कि suppose we have the various equations in the physics. Kinematical equations are there, equations of forces are there, equation of motions are there. So here, while studying the physics, we come across the various types of the physical equations. So some of the equations I have to write here. Suppose here the first equation, kinematical equation is V is equal to U plus AT. This is the first kinematical equation. Second kinematical equation gives the relationship between the displacement S is equal to ut plus half of the AT square. Number third kinematical equation is V square is equal to U square plus twice AS. So these are the kinematical equations I have written on the blackboard. First equation is V is equal to U plus AT. S is equal to ut plus half of the AT square. V square is equal to U square plus twice AS. All the notations have their usual meanings. V is for final velocity, U is for the initial velocity, S is for the displacement, T is for the time, A is equal to the acceleration. So here I have written all the three kinematical equations on the blackboard, but I don't know these equations are correct or not. I can write the wrong equations on the blackboard also. Keep in mind one thing. So here, in order to verify the truth of the given equations, dimensional analysis can be utilized. So here, anybody can tell me the given equations are correct or not? How to tell the given equation is correct or given equation is wrong? So for that we have to use the dimensional analysis. So we have to first of all find here the dimension of each and every term in the equation. म्हणजे मला काय करायचं आहे, दिलेल्या इक्वेशन मध्ये ज्या काही टर्म वापरलेल्या आहेत त्यांचं प्रत्येकाचं डायमेन्शन लिहायचं आहे. सो वी हॅव टू राइट द डायमेन्शन ऑफ द V is here, dimension of the U is there, dimension of A is there, and dimension of time T is there. So write the dimension of all the terms in the equation. This is the first step. And second step is that equal means compare here the dimensions of all the terms on the RHS, right hand side and the left hand side. If the dimensions of the left hand side is equal to the dimensions of all the terms, each and every term must there. जर डायमेन्शन हे काय असतील, डाव्या बाजूचे डायमेन्शन हे उजव्या बाजूच्या प्रत्येक टर्मच्या डायमेन्शनला इक्वल असेल तर दिलेलं इक्वेशन हे काय करेक्ट आहे, बरोबर आहे. अन्यथा दिलेलं इक्वेशन काय राहील, चुकीचं राहील. So in this way we can here the verify the given equation. So here the dimension of all these. So dimension of V is what? Dimension of V is the velocity. So right here is dimension of V, that is m0 L1 t minus 1. Dimension of U, that is the initial velocity, that is again same dimension m0 L1 t minus 1. Dimension of final velocity, dimension of initial. अब डायमेंशन ऑफ क्या आता है? एक्सेलरेशन का. डायमेंशन ऑफ एक्सेलरेशन इज क्या आता है? दैट इज m0 l1 t minus 2. और टाइम का डायमेंशन इज द टाइम इज दैट इज सेकंड, therefore m0 l0 t1. So this is your given equation. Give that equation number 1. Now put all the dimensions in the given equation. So the given equation putting in equation number 1. So here the equation number 1 becomes equation 1 becomes what? That is V m0 l1 t minus 1 is equal U का dimension, that is m0 l1 t minus 1 plus का sign है plus. Then write the dimension of the acceleration here. Acceleration का dimension m0 l1 t minus 2. Then write the dimension of the time m0 l0 t1 means m0 l0 t1. अब यहाँ पे कौन सा है? प्लस साइन. यहाँ पे कौन सा है? मल्टीप्लिकेशन. दे कैन बी एडेड हियर. सो हियर मींस m0 l1 t minus 1 plus m0 l1 ये t कितना है? -2. ये t कितना है? +1. -2 plus 1 equal to -1. Right? Means t minus 1. So here is the m0 l1 t minus 1. Now compare the dimensions of both sides. Comparing the dimensions on both sides. दोनों साइड का डायमेंशन देखते हैं. m0 इसको कंपेयर करते हैं पहले. m0 l1 t minus 1 है i. अब करते हैं इसको कंपेयर करते हैं इससे. m0 l1 t minus 1 है. मींस ये भी है. मींस डायमेंशन ऑफ लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज इक्वल टू द डायमेंशन ऑफ किसके डायमेंशन? डायमेंशन ऑफ ईच टर्म ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड. इसे भी इक्वल होना चाहिए और इसे भी इक्वल होना चाहिए. मींस दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस इज इक्वल टू अगेन दिस. अगर ऐसा होता है तो क्या है? गिवन इक्वेशन इज करेक्ट. डायमेंशन इज क्या करेक्ट है. मींस therefore dimensions on layer here is equal to the dimension on RHS. Then given equation is therefore given equation is correct. दिलेले इक्वेशन कसा आहे? करेक्ट आहे. जर या इक्वेशन मध्ये ते -2 राहिलं असतं किंवा या ठिकाणी -2 राहिलं असतं तर मात्र या डायमेन्शन मध्ये काय आला असता? थोडा फरक आला असता. म्हणजे ते इक्वल झाले नसते. आणि देअरफॉर तशा केसमध्ये काय होतं? मग ते इक्वेशन करेक्ट राहत नाही. ते इक्वेशन काय होतं आहे? इनकरेक्ट होऊन जातं. ते चुकीचं होतं. मी तुम्हाला होमवर्कसाठी 2 इक्वेशन देतो आहे. ते तुम्हाला व्हेरीफाय करायचे आहे. ठीक आहे. राईट दी होमवर्क. Write the homework again. Homework. Verify dimensionally the given equations. Number first equation लिखता हूँ मैं, S is equal to DUT plus half of the AT. Number second equation देता हूँ मैं आपको, V square is equal to U square plus twice AS. आता या इक्वेशन मध्ये हाफ दिलेला आहे, या इक्वेशन मध्ये 2 दिलेला आहे. दिलेल्या इक्वेशन मध्ये तुम्हाला शोधायचं आहे की हे इक्वेशन बरोबर आहे की चुकीचं आहे. मी बरोबर लिहिलं आहे की चुकीचं लिहिलं आहे मला माहित नाही, ते तुम्हाला करेक्ट आहे किंवा नाही शोधायचं आहे. दिलेल्या इक्वेशनमध्ये पुन्हा हा फॅक्टर आहे 1/2 आणि 2, तर याला डायमेन्शन नसतं. कॉन्स्टंट टर्म हॅज नो डायमेन्शन, कीप इन माइंड, लक्षात ठेवा. सो तुम्हाला हे होमवर्क दिलेलं आहे. व्हेरीफाय डायमेन्शन द गिवन इक्वेशन S is equal to UT plus half of the AT. V square is equal to U square plus twice AS. So these are the two equations that you have to verify. So next use of the dimension analysis is that